One of the most critical components of the platform is the websites, which serve as the primary interface for user interaction. Through the website, users can explore your offerings, calculate product prices, create or upload their design files, and place and pay for orders. Let's navigate to the Administrator website section. Within a single company, you can create an unlimited number of websites. Why might you need this? It depends directly on your marketing strategy and how your company is positioned in the market. For example, you might want to create different websites for different countries with various languages, currencies, and pricing that matches local market expectations. Another use case could be segmenting your product offerings across separate websites. For instance, a single production facility might handle photo books, promotional printing, and large format print products. However, it can be challenging to market these diverse products, each targeting a different audience on a single website. In this case, it would be logical for the company to launch 3 separate projects, each optimized for a specific product segment. Orders from these websites will all be funneled into a centralized production flow in the admin panel. Ventum Print provides tools to support any product promotion strategy you choose. To create a new website, click Add Website and enter a name and web address. Languages. You can select multiple languages and specify a default language. By default, any newly created website is disabled. Let's take a look at what we have built. You can view your new website in the list of websites. To access website-specific settings, as opposed to company-wide settings, navigate to a relevant section such as Products. A website is visible to users only when it is enabled. This is indicated by a blue icon. A disabled website is shown with a red icon, and it is not accessible to users. However, to fill and configure a new website, you will need to preview its pages and make changes in the admin panel. Administrators have access to view a website even when it is disabled. Users do not. To do this, simply click the red icon and you will see the front end of the disabled website. At this stage, your website is empty and you may see a not secure connection warning. No worries, adding content and enabling SSL protection will come later. To access website settings, click Website Settings in the menu or go to the Settings section in the sidebar, General, and select the desired website from the drop-down at the top. In the General settings, set the website name for the list used by administrators in the admin panel and the display website name visible to users. Note that the icon displayed here indicates that the name must be entered in the language currently selected by the user in their interface. You will see this icon frequently throughout the admin panel. Pay attention to it, input language-specific content, and save it for each language individually. In English, your website might be called My Second Website. In Polish, it could be Moja druga witryna internetowa. Switch the current language using the control. Upload your website logo and a website mobile version of the logo. Favicon. This is the small icon shown in the Browser tab next to the page title. Upload your favicon here, and after saving settings, you will see it displayed in your browser here. Size and file format requirements are shown in the hints below the upload field. Our platform can automatically generate a set of favicons for various devices and operating systems. However, this may slightly increase page loading speed. If website performance is a critical priority, we recommend using Simple Favicon mode, which applies a single favicon across all platforms. To further reduce page loading times, you can enable the Load Pages in Parts option. Please note, however, that this will cause content to load dynamically as users scroll vertically, which may result in visible loading delays during scrolling.